Santosham. Today we are going to do Gomukhasana, also called cow facing pose. Go means cow, mukh means face, and asana means pose. This yoga pose is designed to provide a stretch to the arms, triceps, shoulders, and chest muscles. It helps in promoting flexibility and opening up these areas of the body. Now, let us see the pose. First, go to the sitting sthiti pose and take a deep breath 2 times. Now, gently bend your left leg and place it under your right hip. Fold your right leg and place it over the left thigh, ensuring that the knee joints are stacked directly in line with each other. Bring the heels close to the sides of the hips, allowing both hips to touch the floor. As you inhale, raise your left arm above your head and bend the elbow. Simultaneously, bring your right arm behind your back and interlock your hands. Align the elbows vertically in one line. Lift your chest, head, and gaze forward, maintaining an erect trunk and expanded chest. Hold this pose for 10 to 30 seconds, breathing normally. The feet on both sides resemble the ears, while the crossed legs resemble the face of a cow. To release the pose, exhale and gently release your arms. Repeat the same process by crossing the legs the other way. Thank you for watching. Santosham.